Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from HonorPad X9 to an Android device. First of all, open Play Store on both devices and install free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then, in order to set it up, click on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now if you wish to. To close it, hit OK. Now tap on Close in white pop-up at the top and select Send at the bottom left corner of Honor. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Honor, thanks to all of those categories available at the top, you can pick all of your files that you wish to send. When you're done, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Now allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and then select Receive. So when I click, after a couple of seconds, all my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!